welcome back to Cloud Institution. In this video, we are going to cover the padding. In the previous video, we have covered the what is the background property. In that, we have covered the what is how to add the background image, how to add the background origin, how to make it as attachment, and everything we have covered in the background property in the previous videos. Okay, if you haven't gone through it, you can go through that CSS playlist. In this video, we will cover the what is the padding. Okay, so padding is it is like space between, it is a space between the border and the content. You can see like how it will, for example, if you have a box. So let me explain through the box paint. Okay, so it which helps you to understand. Okay, think this is your box or a border of your content, and there is a element in this. Okay, element in this or content in this. Okay, and make it as a content. So in this content, like this, there is some space between the content and the what border, right? So this is called as a what padding. Okay, the space between the what border and the space of the space is called as a what padding. Okay, so now you can see that padding is used to create a space around an element content. You can see that like around the content and inside the defined border means it is a space between the water, the content and the border. Okay, so in simple word. Okay, so let's explain with a practical session or a hands-on session. Okay, so let me create a one new file called um, padding itself, padding.html. Okay, so now what I'll do here, enter. So I'll make a one h1 element here, heading, sorry, okay, heading. So what I'll do, I'll apply the size style property here using style tag, that is internal. Okay, I'll select the h1 here and I'll apply the padding. Okay, so padding is a property, I'll apply the padding. So let me give it as a 20 pixel. Okay, so now let's see. We can see that is some space is there. Okay, so that is called as a water padding. Let me go with removing the padding, and you will understand whether either it is giving the padding like whether it is a default one or how it is. If you are showing, it is not like that. So you can see it has more. So if I give the padding 50% or something like that, so it will move somewhere. Okay, you can see that it has moved somewhere. Okay, so it is in the center now. Okay, so that is how the padding is works. Okay, and so there are like it will apply for all the four corners. If you see that I have used the word 50% means it will apply for all the four corners, that is right, left, and bottom, top. Okay, these all things will be applied. For example, if I want to go with a one property, for example, padding right. Okay, so padding right, I can use it. Okay, so 40 pixel. Okay, then you can see that. So 1 minute, because it is having some shorthand property, it will take that one. So let me remove that shorthand property and add it. Okay, so this is a right side of that. Okay, this is the right side. Okay, so and if you go with the padding left. Okay, so here I'll apply the water 30 pixel. Now you can observe the movement. Okay, so you can see that it is a 30 pixel is given. Okay, here again if I go with that padding top, okay, 30 pixel, it will move little bit down. You can see that it has moved little bit down. Sorry. and padding bottom. So if I give the padding bottom, how much I can? So, but it is like it won't show you. But when you add a different element, it will be like it will give the some space and it will add that element. So this is the how we can add the all four corners if you want differently. So when you add the padding, only padding with the one property, so that is called as a what? Shorthand property. Okay. I can add a four corners also, no worries in this 30 pixel. Okay, and 40 pixel, 30 pixel. Okay, what happens means these all are four corners apply different values. Now top, right, bottom, left. Okay, so this is a top. It will apply for the top. It will apply for the right. It will apply for the bottom. It will apply for the left. So this is how it will apply for. Okay, so this is called as a shorthand property. Okay, so if I apply only two values, okay, for example, I am applying 4, right? So now let me apply the three values. So now how it will work means it will apply for the what? A top, okay, right, left, this one, this value for the right, left. This 40 pixel will apply for the what? Bottom. What if I use the what? Two values only. So now 20 pixel will apply for top and bottom, and 30 pixel will apply for the right and left. So this is how it will apply. And if I use the only one value means it will apply, the 20 pixel will apply for all the four corners. Okay. I hope this video is helpful for you to understand the what is the padding. If you understand this video, please hit on the like button. Okay. Share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.